supposed to be up, right?
Yeah.
It's not up. But what was it outside?
Maybe it's still outside.
Uh,
Just open it up again.
No, where's my chicken? I have nothing.
Can you see him outside?
Meh.
He's coming up.
Okay. Why is it not coming faster? Yeah, I didn't know the house number. So duh. Hi. Thank you. Hello. I need to get the plates.
Yeah.
This. Do you want knife?
Nee.
Okay.
Fork, maybe.
You want first?
Yeah. Fork and knife.
So literally, I was so happy, like dancing because I had my chicken. And for those people that know me, you'll know that I really, really love chicken. If you want to be in my good side, just give me chicken. So that's why I had to run and take off my shoes because I was like, I was the same person that saying don't bring your shoes inside. And I had to run and now see me here. I'm opening my chicken and this was just giving me problem. I was trying to open it and I was like, why am I even stressing myself opening this thing like this? And I finally got it. And ta-da! This is my chicken. Can you feel that? It's so tasty. And it is much watering. I was so happy. And oh my god, chicken makes me happy. So I was like, should I just put this for chicken? And I was like, I don't want to show it. But this one was like, you started the video, you just have to put it like that. Da. And I was so happy. Look at me here with my chicken. Yummy. Like yummy. And I was dancing because the chicken has gone into my medulla oblongata. And I was just dancing, shake my booty.